Let's take a look at what makes Nuendo 7 the most comprehensive solution for advanced audio, post-production, and game audio production. Nuendo 7 is an open system allowing you to use any audio hardware for your Mac and PC. The projects can contain multiple audio file formats and multiple audio file bit depths. Nuendo is highly configurable, even allowing the key commands to be changed for each of the functions. Migrating from other programs is simple because the key command presets for those programs can be opened up right there. Tired of doing the same repeated key commands? You can now define these as a macro and have a key command to trigger all these different key commands as a macro. Editing is as simple as right mouse clicking, so you have context-sensitive tools and context-sensitive menu functions. Nuendo is designed from the ground up for network collaboration. Multiple editors could be working on the same project, each with their defined tracks, and be able to collaborate using standard networking equipment. If you need to record someone who's at a different facility, the VST Connect SE, which is a free download for the performer, allows them to be recorded in a timeline using a standard internet connection. Media management is also handled inside of the program with the media bay. You can scan all your local hard disks or your network drives and be able to have all of your relevant files for video files, audio files with all of the metadata. Working with video is simple as well. The edit mode allows you to move an event and see exactly where it is in relation to the video timeline. Working on dialogue for tracks can be problematic in a lot of programs. Nuendo has a dedicated ADR panel. We can now have up to 32 marker tracks and choose here. And then it's as simple as setting up rehearsal. We can have the streamers with the dialogue, then recording, and then reviewing the recording. And that allows you to very quickly go through all of your dialogue recording tasks. Nuendo has multiple projects that could be opened simultaneously. If I wanted to switch to a different project, I can just come right here and I can drag and drop projects or even import audio files from one project to another project. When we want to work with this, sometimes we may run into situations where we've done a tremendous amount of audio editing and then there's a picture change where there's an edit. And this often causes a lot of problems. Nuendo features reconforming. And what this is going to allow us to do is to load the original edit decision list, the new edit decision list generated by the video or animation program, and we could generate the changes between the files and click on Start Reconform. And what this will allow us to do is to now do a reconform where we have the new video file, and then we get marker tracks showing us where media was inserted or where there was potential problems with automation. Working with gaming is a different workflow. So if we wanted to integrate with gaming systems, we can now integrate directly with the Wise game audio middleware. We can drag and drop audio directly from our Nuendo project into the Game Audio Connect, or we could choose to do a render in place with the functions and load that directly into the game audio middleware. Or we could do the export audio mixdown. So if I wanted to be able to have my channel batch export, I could take all my group channels for different scenes and be able to export them. So now, as soon as I come directly here to Wise, we could see that my files can automatically be imported. And if I needed to make a change, all I would need to do is to right-click on the file, choose Edit in Nuendo, and that would automatically launch the project directly back into Nuendo so I can make any changes necessary. So as you can see, instead of being burdened with having to work with many third-party tools, all this functionality is included in Nuendo for the best and most comprehensive workflow.